Welcome to Unit 24, Student Accommodation. This unit provides essential practical knowledge for students planning to live away from home for college. You'll learn how to find student accommodation, about the different types of accommodation, and important advice before you move in. The key competencies. This unit is crucial for managing learning itself by gaining practical knowledge about finding and securing student accommodation, including legal and financial considerations. It also develops thinking and solving problems by helping you identify potential issues with accommodation and understanding shared liabilities. Why teach it? Securing suitable and safe accommodation is a major concern for college students. This unit is crucial for equipping them with the practical tools and knowledge to navigate the rental market, understanding their rights and responsibilities, for example, the Residential Tenancies Board, RTB, and avoid common pitfalls, supporting their managing, learning, and self-competency. Methodology and overview. We'll start with a presentation and discussion on student accommodation, including a video like the one on Trinity College student accommodation. An interactive exercise will have you list your accommodation preferences and match them with potential options. You'll explore how to find accommodation using resources like daft.ie, rent.ie, myhome.ie, and University Student Union websites. We'll discuss 9 top tips for student accommodation, emphasizing checks like whether the tenancy is under the RTB and understanding liability for rent and bills. Why pay attention? Paying attention is incredibly important because this unit provides the practical tools and knowledge to navigate the rental market confidently. By understanding your rights and responsibilities, it can save you stress, financial loss, and ensure a comfortable and safe living situation for your studies.